The electoral bond scheme, the proviso to section 29C(1) of the Representation of the People Act 1951, as amended by section 137 of the Finance Act 2017, section 182(3) of the Companies Act, as amended by section 154 of the Finance Act 2017, and section 13(a)(b), as amended by section 11 of the Finance Act 2017, are violative of Article 19(1)(a) and unconstitutional. And B, the deletion of the proviso to section 182(1) of the Companies Act, permitting unlimited corporate contributions to political parties, is arbitrary and violative of Article 14. We consequently issue the following directions. A, the issuing bank shall herewith stop the issuance of electoral bonds. B, State Bank of India shall submit details of the electoral bonds purchased since the interim order of this court dated 12 April 2019 till date to the Election Commission of India. The details shall include the date of purchase of each electoral bond, the name of the purchaser of the bond, and the denomination of the electoral bond purchased. C, State Bank of India shall submit the details of political parties which have received contributions through electoral bonds since the interim order of this court dated 12 April 2019 till date to the Election Commission of India. SBI must disclose details of each electoral bond encashed by political parties, which shall include the date of encashment and the denomination of the electoral bond. D, SBI shall submit the above information to the ECI within 3 weeks from the date of this judgment, that is by 6 March 2024. E, the ECI shall publish the information shared by the SBI on its official website within 1 week of the receipt of the information, that is by 13 March 2024. And F, electoral bonds which are within the validity period of 15 days, which have not been encashed by political parties yet, shall be returned by the political party to the purchaser, depending on who is in possession of the bond to the issuing bank. The issuing bank, upon the return of the valid bond, shall refund the amount to the purchaser's account.